Welcome, in front of me I have ALCATEL 1S 2021 and today I will show you how Face Unlock works in this smartphone. So I'm going to make a few tries. Let's see how it performs. So as you can see right now, it recognizes my face all time in a third try. It's definitely slower than the fingerprint sensor that you can find in this smartphone on the back. But it's not that bad, to be honest. For that price, it's okay. So, that's how the Face Unlock works in the ALCATEL 1S 2021, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.